Yeah, so Neil's had a bit of a bad couple of weekends. Trashed his Rave and then his TRex 700 clutch burned out. So now he's going right upscale here. Look at this. That's with the external on a lead battery. Gives you longer hovering times. Little tip for you people who want a 250. And look at this. Sweet. The crowd is hushed. That's really taken them back a bit, this. Hobby King Velcro? It's working really well.
So well, it's sticking it to the ground.
It doesn't stick.
Shh, don't say that. We're pro Hobby King this weekend.
Awesome stuff.
Awesome stuff, yeah.
You hand launch it?
It's a push start.
Yeah, do you want me to crank it?
Here we go. We've got to go well away from the buildings because with a helicopter this size, you never know what happens if it gets loose. Those rotor blades could travel 1/4 of an inch.
Stab someone in the neck.
Stab someone in the neck, that's true. Here we go. We stand in where the wind funnels through the hangars, so it'll be rough as guts here. And here we go. He's a little beauty. Woo! Has it flown before, Neil?
Yeah. Give it to it.
Another successful flight, eh, Neil? You must be chuffed with that.
At least it's in one piece. Yeah, this one's cheap on fuel too.
No one gets a break here at the South Waikato Model Aero Club.
Yeah,
We need a bit over here, Marvin, actually. Woo! Woo!
No pressure to crash, Neil. No one's got cameras going.
Ooh, look at that. Woo! It's very rough up there at the moment. Perfect for conditions for a little helicopter like this. Ooh. Was that close? Oh no!
Oh, another one. But it's a smaller one. Yeah.
He's going to fly planes. Well, what a good idea that would be.
I forgot to bring the bloody transporter.
Barry didn't bring the recovery vehicle today, but Ron's bought a bag. He's very thoughtful. Here we go. Doesn't really need a bag and envelope would have done, wouldn't it? He's missing bits.
Bit of sticky tape and should be good, Neil.
See, if you come and fly at the South Waikato Model Club, you'll get all the sympathy and empathy too if you have a wee whoopsie. We're the club that cares. That's what we are. Here we go. Here's the walk of, geez, I wish I earned more money because I'm breaking a lot of helicopters these days.
Barry gone out to give him a cuddle.
Barry's got to give him a cuddle.
You can hardly even see a mark on the ground. Give him a cuddle, Barry.
Ron, you're a cold sod, eh?
Right, to hell with the helis.
Yeah, back to the fixed one, mate.
So what happened there, Neil?
Neil's decided now he's going to become a fully fledged fixed wing pilot.
Come on, Neil, give us the rundown, man. What happened there?
Run out of petrol.
Tail let go.
Let go, eh?
Yeah.
What kind of gyro was it?
Hobby King. I mean, a line.
It was an line gyro and it let go, you see. So if you'd been using a Hobby King gyro, you wouldn't have that problem, would you?
No, I know what it was.
What was it?
It's the Spectrum radio.
Oh, Spectrum. Oh, come on, man.
I got round to changing it.
You were flying Spectrum and he... Yeah, well, enough said, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
I do have actually a Futaba one. Probably a good time now.
Yeah, now would be perfect. Yeah, well, it's just momentary motionless.